No, man, are you crazy? You really think I live over there? Man, I live in Humboldt Park. What are you thinking, man? You think I wouldn't be around my guys? I need them to back me up, man. You know, Southside for life. You have no idea what I'm saying? You want me to talk in my native language?
¿Quieres tú, papi?
Of course I'm a Mexican. What do you think, man? What do you think, Ese?
Who?
What are you talking to my girl Lashonda for?
I think he's pissed off about a girl or something.
About your girl? Man, I ain't got nothing to do with your girl, man. Don't even give me play like that, man.
I mean, he didn't want to talk to her.
Hey, man.
It's his phone. I started calling people. And your number was in his caller list.
So you call my girl back, right?
What?
So you call her back?
I don't know. I just called a whole bunch of phone numbers.
Man, you sound like you don't know what the hell you be doing, man. What the hell are you smoking? What are you smoking? What do you want, man? Give me some of that.
Who is this?
This is Tomas, man. If I have to tell you again, I'm gonna go get Lashonda. Hey, man, but seriously. Hey, bro, man. No, man, are you listening to me?
What?
Are you listening to me? You want me to speak better English? Hey, man, for reals though. Man, you were supposed to pick me up and take me off his depot. Where the hell are you, man?
I can't hear what you're saying.
You can't,
Caprón.
you can't deal with this anymore. What the fuck are you talking about, Ese? I can't deal with this anymore. I gotta get my license plate fixed, and I need to go to Office Depot. But, stupido cabrono, you didn't take me, man. And now I'm probably gonna have to go back to court. No importa que sentiste, cabrón. Pinche güero. You were supposed to take me to Office Depot. ¿Dónde estás?
You want to talk to Phil?
Do I want to talk to Phil?
He's gonna hit me if I try to wake him up again.
Don't do it, man. If someone tries to wake me up when I'm sleeping, I'll pull out my trigger and I'll shoot the fuck out of them. So don't try to wake him up. Okay? Don't even do it.